Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the security section, fingerprint. Next you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Let's select for example pin, enter our pin, next confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on a lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, and you can also hide all notifications. And what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here on the power key, and just tap it with your finger several times. Like this. And fingerprint aided. And now you can, for example, unlock your device with your fingerprint. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.